welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today I decided to do a little work on our 2001 SN95 Mustang, new Edge Mustang. It's a 2-valve 4.6. It's actually a 5-liter because we put a stroker in it with forged rotating assembly. But it also has a Kenne Bell supercharger on it. Makes pretty good power. I need to get some long tube headers. I would like to put a tubular K-member under it. But right now I'm looking for a TR 3650 transmission. They were in these cars from 01 to 05, and I need one because mine's not doing well, and I figured if I buy one, go through it, make sure it's good to go, and then I can just do a hot swap on the transmission. Then I can rebuild the one that's in it and just put it up for sale. So if you have a TR 3650 transmission out there that you're not using, you want to sell, give me a call. I need one. At any rate, nothing real major today. The car's been running great. I put in some smoked headlights the other day because the headlights on this thing were so fogged over they were worthless and pretty much couldn't see anything anyway. So today I'm just putting some sway bar links and sway bar bushings in it, but the sway bar bushings I bought will probably be the wrong size. But let's get it up in the air, check it out. So as you can see, this has the Eibach Performance 3518.320. It's a kit available online. It's about $560 for the front and rear sway bar, the bushings, and the end links. I was unable to find sway bar bushings for it, and it needs them. These are worn out. You can see it's spit out some of the end link bushings as well. So I've got new end links. And I found a pair of 30mm bushings that are correct for the car, and I'm probably just going to aug them out to replace these because they're spent. They're done. Game over. So I'm going to knock the end links off real quick because that's a quick and easy win. And then I'm going to fight with some bushings and see if I can make something work. If you know the part number for these bushings for the Eibach kits, please let me know because I don't know, I spent 10 minutes looking and I gave up. I'm like, well, I'm going to buy these $6 ones and modify them for now. Nope, that's not going to do that. Pull in. So I tried taking these off the other day and they're seized solid. So probably torch. Grab my air gun before I burn my shop down. Get to it. That's one way to do it. Had to go grab some safety glasses so I don't end up with hot lava in my eyeball. because that would be the kind of luck I have. Get on this side. Let's warm that guy up too. Sometimes you just got to burn the nylock out of it. My pocket? I did. I put it in my pocket. Walking around looking for it. It's right where I left it. Probably hot. Sometimes those sleeves have a slot in them and you can open them up, but these do not. Back to heat. Grab a cut-off wheel and slice and dice. I don't feel like setting my bushings on fire because I don't want to breathe that all afternoon. That's not good. That one may be done. It's like an old friend, had him for a long time. Easy. Tip's dirty. Well, shoot. Failure. Just gonna have to cut it. Might be able to get on that with a bolt cutter now. Maybe. I don't think I'm gonna be able to cut through that. That's probably a graded bolt. It was an idea though. That was much easier. Although I still need to get a new 90-degree cutoff wheel. I'm going to let that cool down before I grab it with my bare fingers. Because I bet it's hot. Alright. Old unit's out. So I found some quick steer from Federal Motors. They were on closeout. These were like $6. Okay, I'll take the last two of those at $6. Works for me. Or even urethane, which will end up crumbling like the ones that were in there. That's alright. That's still hot. Same length divider. Gravity. Ooh. Need some help with that. My hands don't work real well anymore. These have a split in them, so you can just hit the split with your impact. It'll separate them. I dropped the car down so that the sway bar was at a little more horizontal position, and that gave me just enough to get the nuts started. Tighten those down a little. That'll do. Sway bar links installed. Now I have to modify these TRW bushings. I need to open them up quite a bit because that roll bar is way bigger than the big stock 30mm one. So you think about how I want to do that, and we'll get back at it here shortly, hopefully. But at least it won't be as rattly as it was before. It's way tighter. Well, it looks like this Eibach front sway bar is about 35mm. The bushings I have are 30mm, so I need to open up their opening by 5mm. I'm probably going to do that on Monday over at Stefan's. I'll use his drills and presses and see if I can just open them up. I'm sure the bushings are available somewhere, I just haven't found them yet. And for $9 and 10 minutes of my time, once I figure out how to do it, it's fine. They'll work good. It's already way tighter. I'm expecting this car to handle a lot better. I was having problems with, I'd hit bumps in the road and the car would do weird stuff, and I'm pretty sure it's due to the sway bar being loose. It may be that the front struts are worn out. This has Eibach front struts in it as well, but they're pretty old. So, but if I go to a tubular K-member, tubular lower arms, I'm going to need coilovers. So I don't really feel like spending money on struts if I'm going to just end up taking them out of the car when I go to a tubular K-member. The tubular K-member is going to drop about 80 pounds off the front of the car, so that should make some nice improvements to how it handles. Well, with that, thanks for coming along for the ride. This one was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna, and I need to get a rear end rebuilt on an '84 Mustang because I have a early Nova 2 coming in, wagon, for a rear gear set on Monday. So I need to have that rear gear set done and out of here. So I'm going to move on to that car and get it done. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. great day. See you on the next one.